The Fusion Paint Match truck bed cover from A.R.E. is a great way to give your truck a complete and unique look. Most truck bed covers on the market today are just a standard black color. If you want it paint matched to your factory color, you usually have to settle with a clunky one-piece style truck bed cover. But thanks to A.R.E.'s Fusion Paint Match, you can have the best of both worlds, a paint matched and functional truck bed cover. It arrives already pre-painted to match your truck's factory color. The aluminum panels are painted to match your truck's color code on the exterior, so there's no guessing on whether it will truly match the factory color. The hard folding design is super functional and operates with ease. Simply fold the panels open for quick and easy full bed access, or keep them closed for added security and styling. It also has easy to attach support arms to hold the cover in fully open position, and when you're done, they clip into the track system when the cover is closed. The Fusion Paint Match has a very low profile design that utilizes L rails for fast and easy installation. It's also weather resistant. Exterior and interior seals help deflect elements from entering your bed. The Fusion also features a drain track that helps push any water to the front and out of the bed. This is overall a premium product that is meant to wow. It has a finished tailgate edge which gives you that sleek, low-profile design and achieves a seamless edge where the cover meets your truck's tailgate. A great thing about this is your truck's tailgate can be open or closed with the Fusion in its closed position. The Fusion also comes with an integrated LED light to help manage your cargo day or night. So if you're looking to turn heads in your truck on and off the road while still protecting your gear, the A.R.E. Fusion Paint Match series is a great option for you. This truck bed cover is backed with a limited lifetime warranty.